Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I'm going to talk to you about NFTMintrz. Now this is by Sean Ongano and Jason Fulton and is out now. Now this is taking advantage of NFTs, which are obviously very, very big, very, very popular. And the idea is that you're going to make lots and lots of money by using 3 different ways to sell your NFTs. Now, if you're not into NFTs or you don't understand it, stick around. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what this NFT is all about. Non-Fungible tokens, by the way. And I'll talk to you about this method and then really hopefully give you a little bit of education and see if this is going to be right for your own business. So guys, if you haven't been over to my channel before, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell if you're interested in honest reviews online. And guys, if you're really serious and you're looking to build a business online and figure out how to make money using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School Nomads and we'll get you started with our affiliate bootcamp completely for free straight away. So guys, let's jump straight into the product itself. But basically there's 3 different ways that you can make money with this. One is by actually creating an NFT. One is by having some templates you can use on sites like Fiverr to actually advertise the fact that you can create NFTs with this brilliant piece of software, which I'm being a little bit sarcastic on, guys. And then you have an NFT affiliate site, which is basically giving you one of their old products, which is called Crypto Profit. So we'll come back to that. Now let's talk a little bit about NFTs. Now the way I wanted to do this is by jumping straight over to OpenSea. Now OpenSea is the eBay of the digital artwork type world. Now if you think about NFTs are non-fungible tokens, and what you're essentially doing, just really simplifying it, is these digital artworks get something called minted and then they get put on the blockchain. Now that basically is just a code, right? And that code can be bought and sold by other folks. Now, like any kind of artwork or anything online, you've got to have some kind of perceived value of the artwork itself. So folks like Jake Paul, Gary Vaynerchuk and any of those folks that would put some kind of artwork online will have their name behind the actual artwork. So you're buying into them in a way. When you do it, they're not buying into you whatsoever because they don't know who you are. So if you've got no kind of track record or no kind of audience, getting one of these artworks to actually sell to other people is quite tricky. The other thing, obviously, you need to be kind of artistic. You can't just go ahead and put any old rubbish on here, which I'll demonstrate by showing you some of the listings, and expect it to suddenly appear at the top of the rankings on this particular site and people to buy it. Now, there is something in NFTs. NFTs itself, although it sounds a bit confusing with it just being code people buy and sell, to me is no different than stocks. It's just happening on the blockchain. And you're just selling a stock between various parties, right? So it's just that kind of world. For the vast majority of us, it's going to be very, very hard to break into. But what they're doing is just showing you a couple of ways to do this. They're giving you a way that you can actually make the artwork to start with. So when I jump over to the site itself and go to the NFT creator, there is a very, very simple creator here, which quite frankly has been in so many of their other products. It's just this photo editor that they've now decided is a NFT creator, which is really, really silly, right? So basically this is a photo creator. You can bring a photo into here and you can do all sorts of things. You can design things on here. You can draw things on it. You can make it unique and that becomes your NFT. You then have to download that and put it somewhere. And then what you do is you can come over to the NFT piece here and you can go over to OpenSea. Now this is their link into OpenSea. So you'd connect to OpenSea. You'd have to go ahead and create a Meta wallet, a Coinbase wallet, or a Phantom or Glow, one of these services, and then you would have Ethereum in here, which you can then buy and you can use to pay the fees for OpenSea. So it's no different like eBay. They charge you a fee and also get your money if people buy your NFTs. So you need to go ahead and connect your wallet and then you'll end up on OpenSea, and there's a whole tutorial about how to go ahead and mint these. Basically you upload them, you put a few details in, you put a few names in around what you want to call the NFT to get it ranked, and then you can go ahead and sell it. Now if I just go into this, just have a look at this Crypto Dads one here. This is their own channel, the Crypto Dads, and you can see they've got lots of different NFTs on here that they use. Okay, so basically I can come along here, and if I wanted to buy one of these, I just come in here and I can buy that now. Now I'd use the money that was in my wallet, my Ethereum wallet. I can make an offer and basically I can buy this NFT. Now this one's had 171 views. Let's just go back to their actual channel themselves. They've got 10,000 items on here. They have 7,000 people who've gone and bought stuff on here, and they've got 11,000 volume traded. So you can make money doing this. I am not saying you can't make money. What I am saying is you need to do this for a long while. This isn't a quick thing. You need to have a great unique idea for the type of art you would put on here, and then you need to really work on getting it ranked. There will be tutorials on YouTube, I'm sure, about how to rank in OpenSea. It isn't going to be a very quick thing to go ahead and do. So that's the idea, is you would make it using the software, and then you would upload it onto OpenSea. So that's basically these two sections. Then you have your Done For You NFT templates, and you can use these templates. These are just random artworks from somebody else. You can open them and adjust them and upload them. Then you have your Done For You service gigs. Now these are service gigs on things like Fiverr. So you would have to go ahead and use these service gigs, just very simple. Post them on Fiverr. So if I open them on Fiverr, let's put NFTs in here. Let's see how much competition there is. NFT art. And you've got all these different gigs on here. I'll just click that away. All these different gigs on here that are promising people NFT art. And you can see lots and lots of people are doing this. Again, competition, guys. It's not going to be very simple to come along here. You need to be unique. You really need to understand what you're doing and have a real talent for creating digital artwork. So I think this is quite a good thing for people who have got talent and want to sell their illustrations online. I think it's a good industry that they've opened up for them. But for the vast majority of us who are beginners, we got no chance really of getting into this world. But if you are arty, this might be good for you. It's not going to be a quick thing, guys, as I keep repeating. So basically that's what you got there. Then you have the trainings here. The trainings are okay. He just show you exactly what to do. There's nothing really interesting there above, and just to demonstrate the actual NFT he makes in the training. When I went onto OpenSea, you can see exactly, because these are codes, remember, you can see these NFTs themselves. These are the two he created, and if I just click into these, you will see these NFTs. There's two items. Basically, they're not doing it themselves. They've got no track record on this particular account. Why they don't show you actual proof that they're doing this is because they don't do this, right? Or they'll be able to just come onto their own account and show you real proof that they're making money with this. But they don't. They made these random, silly artwork on here. Absolutely nobody's looked at this. I might have actually done this myself, and just to find it again. And basically, guys, there's no volume, no owners. Nobody's interested in these NFTs. And basically these are just made to demonstrate that their little NFT artwork maker actually allows you to upload, but that's about it. There's nothing here. And the other thing, just to show you, if I go into Purple Monkey, when I was searching for this, I was looking for the Purple Monkey NFT. Let's just go on here and I'll show you how many items there is in Purple Monkey. If I look at Purple Monkey, all of these are called Purple Monkey as well, and there's absolutely hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So it is very difficult to rank. So guys, that's your problem with this type of software. It gives you the idea of what you can do, but just remember, buying this software, you can just go and do this yourself. Just go and join OpenSea, open an account, and find any kind of graphical software. There's loads online where you can create artwork and post them. You don't need this software to do it. And on the gig side, just go onto Fiverr and copy one of their gigs. Again, you don't need to buy this. So I think this is the other thing that they do have on here is an affiliate site, giving you this crypto profit site where they claim to be making lots of money with this crypto profit site, and this is a way that you can advertise your NFTs. The reality is this is just a site that allows you to upload videos. So if I look at the Done For You site here, I actually reviewed this site. Basically, it's a very poor looking site, and you can nick other people's videos. And the point of this site was actually never to do with NFTs. It was to do with being able to nick other people's videos and then put these little Changeley type banners on here and then advertise your own products. It was never really to do with NFTs. So they just stuck this here as an extra. It's not really anything to do with the original product, but they're saying you'll be able to make money off this and using this money on the sales page, which again, when they look at financial proof, from these guys. It's always made up. None of it's real. So guys, that's my opinion of this. I think it's a little bit of a waste of time, not really needed. If you're into NFTs, you'll already know there are better softwares out there to actually make your NFTs with. You need a little bit of talent to be able to do this. And don't expect money in the short term unless you've got a big name, unless you're Jake Paul and you can go onto multiple other social networks to actually advertise this. This is what they do basically. They go onto Twitter, they go onto Instagram, and they tell people about their latest NFT, and then their millions of followers will come in here and they'll actually buy it. You need to have those types of traffic, just like anything else, to generate over to your OpenSea or even your Fiverr gigs, and only then will you actually make money. Figure all that out. This particular niche could be good. If you're a complete beginner and you just got to post one of these onto OpenSea, don't expect much. Just expect a lot of crickets while nobody comes along and actually views it. That's my opinion of this. I would give this a 2 out of 10 just because it works as far as the software goes. But to be honest, guys, I think it's a little bit of a waste of time. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been to my channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll get you started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.